We often have questions from you, the educators, about what to do once you get your hands on a new trainer. How do I get the resources I need for this trainer? How do I get the maximum potential out of this trainer in my classroom? So, starting now, in every package that we ship, we will have a guide that will tell you where all the resources are for your new trainer. Let's look at the steps. So first things first, you're gonna wanna sign in or register for the customer space on our website. This gives you access to many useful features, but more importantly, our educational resources. You'll also have access to all the resources your establishment previously purchased. Once logged in, go to your new trainer's product page, scroll all the way down to find the manuals in our ready-to-use curriculum, the operation manual, the instructor manual, the student assignments, and an answer key. You can download or print them. Next, if you want to learn more about your product, check out our YouTube channel. There you can find webinars, familiarization trainings, support videos. It's basically a goldmine of information at your disposal, and it's all free. Then, if you still need help with your trainer, did you know that we offer free one-on-one support and training for every product? It's simple. You just have to send a request in the support section of our website. Then, one of our specialists in the education team will contact you to schedule a one-on-one meeting. If you have any additional questions, you can always contact us or reach out on our socials and let us know, and we'll get right back to you. Now you're all set to turn your new trainer into a powerful learning experience. Because with the right tools and the right resources, you can focus on what matters most, helping your students succeed. And remember, ConsuLab is just a click away. We're ready to help.